Hello everyone, I am here and today we are going to review the Hot Wheels HW Race Team 5-pack. This Hot Wheels Race Team 5-pack was released in 2022. It includes every blue cars in this package. Now it's time to review the Hot Wheels cars from this package. Okay, so now let's see what are the cars are. So now, first up, the 67 Camaro. The 67 Camaro has an awesome plastic base, a cool car, cool wheels with red chrome rims, a blue light window, and a white interior on it. It also has a nice front over here. Next we have the F115 SVT Lightning. I think this is a long time car who was created a long time ago maybe. But this truck has something to carry over here. It has a black interior, it's dark blue, it's dark blue as well, red rims as well, a Hot Wheels logo in each side, the number 99. So anyways, I'm gonna review the other Hot Wheels cars. Now, the Plymouth Superbird. That is such a cool Hot Wheels car with a number 70 Goodyear logo, a giant spoiler. Look how big he is. He also has a white interior and a chrome base. Now, move on to the other cars. The Dirty Outlaw. He has a cool plastic body, a red metal base. He also has some gigantic wheels in behind. It was also made in Indonesia. Yep, these 5 packs are now made in Indonesia, as you can see. It also has an awesome chrome interior, a chrome engine, a cage over here, and a nice looking thing over here. Now the last one, the High-Tech Missile. The High-Tech Missile has a dark blue plastic body, a dark red metal base. It also has a yellow window and a white interior. It also has some wheels with chrome red rims. Also some cool wheels. And also has the white interior visible under here. As you can see, these 2 tiny holes. So anyways guys, that's the review of this 5-pack. Make sure to like, subscribe, comment, and share. So anyways guys, I will see you soon in my next video. Bye bye.